Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use if I knew and I wish in sentences. Sometimes we want to talk about a situation that is not true or not possible. Then we use the sentence structure if plus subject plus past tense verb. So have a look at the sentence example. If I knew how to DJ, I would record an album. So this sentence tells us that the situation is not possible. I can't record an album because I don't know how to DJ. So I used the sentence structure if plus subject I plus past tense verb knew. We use the past tense verb here, although the situation is in the present. The past tense just shows that it is something we are imagining. So that simply means that it is something we are thinking about in our minds. We are imagining it. And that is why we use the past tense verb, even though we are talking about the situation in the present. Let's have a look at another example. If I knew how to bake, I would open a cake shop. Once again, this situation is not possible. I can't open a cake shop because I don't know how to bake. So here I have my structure. If, subject I, past tense verb knew. We can use wish in the same way. This means that we are sorry that things are not a certain way. So have a look at the two sentence examples. I wish I knew how to DJ. So that sentence tells us that we don't know how, but we wish we did. I wish I had learnt how to be a DJ when I was younger. So this sentence tells us that we are sorry that things are not a certain way. I'm sorry that I don't know how to DJ now because I didn't learn when I was younger, and I wish I had learnt. So it shows some form of regret, and we are sorry that things are not a certain way now in the present. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.